Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, depending on your different locations. This is statistical and your special inside YouTube. We are meeting again in lesson number 18, which is about the Picoc model. By the end of this lesson, you shall be able to apply the Picoc model to structure your research questions. What is the Picoc model? The Picoc model is a framework which is built upon the older Picoc model by adding a fifth element, which is the context. And this is one of the framework used to structure research questions. The Picoc model is made up of the following elements. In the model, the P stands for the population, which is about the population under the study, and the I stands for intervention. What is the intervention the study will be using? This could be treatment, exposure, and etc. The C stands for comparator. What is the primary comparison or control group for the study? And the O stands for outcome, which is the desired measured outcome or effect or results of the study. The C stands for context. What is the specific setting, background, or circumstances for the study? Areas where the Picoc model finds applications. This model can be used in evidence-based medicine and healthcare, can be used in systematic literature review, can be used in academic writing and education, can be used in public health and health system interventions, can be used in computer science and software engineering, can be used in management and enterprise architecture. So that the model will be clear to us, let us look at the following example. Example number 1. In children with malnutrition, implementing new feeding regime rich in calories, protein, and essential vitamins and minerals more effective at improving children's health compared to the current feeding system in health centers. Now let us come and look at the elements of uh, the Picoc model. I would like just to draw your attention here that the elements of the Picoc model that we have just seen, sometimes they could happen in the way they appear in the model itself, that is P and then I like that, or sometimes they just appear randomly. So the position of the letters does not matter. Now let us look at the elements of the Picoc model. The first element here is the population, because we are talking of children with malnutrition. So this is the study population. So they say in children with malnutrition, implementing new feeding regime rich in calories, protein, and essential vitamins and minerals. So this is the interventions. They say, is this one more effective at improving children's health? More effective here to improve children's health is the outcome compared to the current feeding system, which is the comparator. In health centers, this is the context where the study is actually taking place. The second example is about rehabilitation. The question says, can alcohol rehabilitation be used as an effective alcohol cessation technique with alcohol addicted people in rehabilitation centers compared to standard advice? Here, when you look at the elements of the Picoc, these elements did not actually appear here as they align themselves in the abbreviation Picoc. So here, the first thing is that can alcohol rehabilitation, which is the intervention, be used as an effective alcohol cessation techniques? An effective alcohol cessation technique, this is the outcome. With alcohol addicted people, so this is your population. In rehabilitation centers, this is the context compared to standard advice. So the compared to standard advice here is stand for comparator. Conclusion. The Picoc model's primary utility lies in its ability to streamline the research process, to enhance the effectiveness of information searching, to provide a standardized, replicable approach to evidence synthesis across diverse fields. Thank you for your patience. See you in the next YouTube.